In this video lecture, we will see Maths Class 10 Statistics Exercise 14.1 Questions 3, 4 and 5 from APSCERT, TSSCERT and NCERT. Question 3. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is Rs 18. Find the missing frequency f. In general, always we have to find out mean and all the values of frequency will be given. But in this question, mean is given and we have to find out supply frequency. So it is opposite. Let us use the mean formula only because mean value is given and the same two columns are given here, daily pocket allowance in rupees and number of children, which are given in all the sums. So if you observe the values here, they are very small. The maximum value here is 25 in case of class interval, and in case of number of children, the maximum value is 13. That is, as the values here are less than 50, so we will use direct method. We know the formula for direct method is mean is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So in this question, mean is given as 18 and I have to find out the missing frequency, and missing frequency is indicated by f. So here I have to find out the value of f. So in this question, two columns are given to us. Daily pocket allowance, that is class interval, is given as 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25. And we have number of children, that is frequency fi is given by 7, 6, 9, 13, f, 5 and 4. Now we know since the values of class interval and frequency are less than 50, we can use direct method. Whenever class interval and frequency values are less than 50, use direct method. So in direct method we have four columns: class interval, frequency and class mark xi and fi xi. So in the question, frequency value is not given. We have to find out frequency value f. Always in the question it used to give us the value of f. So we will add the total frequency and find out sigma fi, because we know that in the formula of mean we require sigma fi value. So how to add sigma fi value? Add all the numbers and keep the variable on one side. Here the variable is f, so I am keeping plus f on one side and I am adding the numbers. 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 9 is 22, 22 plus 3 is 23, 24, 25, 25 plus 5 is 30, 30 plus 4 is 34 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So I have sigma fi is equals to 44 plus f. Now let us find out class mark xi. For the formula for class mark xi is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So lower limit is 11 plus upper limit is 13 by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 1 is 4. 24 by 2 means 12. Because 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 13 plus 15 by 2. 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 5, 8. 28 by 2 is 14. 15 plus 17 by 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 32 by 2 is 16. 17 plus 19 by 2. 9 plus 7 is 16. 36 by 2, that is 18. Because 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 6, 2 8s are 16. 19 plus 21 by 2. 9 plus 1 is 10, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. 40 by 2, that is 20. 21 plus 23 by 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. 44 by 2, that is 22. Next 23 plus 25 by 2. 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 48 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So we got 24. Now let us find out fi into xi. What is fi here? 7. Into what is xi here? 12. We know 12 7s are 84, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So 84. Next we have 14 6 are 4 6 are 24, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 7, 8, 84. 16 9s are 16 9s are 9 6 are 54, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. 13 18s are 3 8s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 is 9 10, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. We have 234. Next, f into 20 is 20f. 5 into 22. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 110. 24 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9, 96. Now in the formula we also require sigma fi xi. So add all these and keep the variables of f on one side. The variable of f here is 20f, so I am keeping plus 20f separately and I am adding the numbers. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. Next, 8 plus 2 is 9, 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 20, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 3 is 23, 24, 25. 25 plus 1 is 26, 26 plus 9 is 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 5, 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have 752 plus 20f. This 20 is only ones and tens digit. So the formula for mean will substitute sigma fi and sigma fi xi in this formula of mean. That is, mean x bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Substitute. What is x we know? Mean x bar is given as 218. So substitute here 218 is equals to, what is sigma fi xi given to us? 752 plus 20f by sigma fi is given as 44 plus f. Sorry, this is given as 18. Mean is given as 18 here. How to simplify this? This 44 plus f will take on this side. So 18 into, open the bracket, 44 plus f is equals to 752 plus 20f. One more thing you should remember, this 18 belongs to 44 as well as this 18 belongs to f. That is the reason why I am writing bracket. Now 18 into 44. 18 into 44 is 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 7 plus 2 is 8, 9. 792 we have. Now 18 into f is 18f, that is equals to 752 plus 20f. Now this is the type of linear equation in one variable. So variables on one side and numbers on other side. So 20f is here, plus 18f will take that side, it becomes minus 18f. 792 is here, plus 752, if it comes this side, it becomes minus 752. 792 minus 752 is 2 minus 2 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, 40 is equals to 20 minus 18 is 2 and f as it is. So f is equals to 40 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0. So f is equals to 20. It says find the missing frequency. So we will write, therefore missing frequency is 20. Fourth question. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and their heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as shown. Find the mean heartbeats per minute of the women choosing a suitable method. In the question, number of heartbeats, that is class interval is given, and number of women, that is frequency is given. We have to find out the mean. So which method we have to use? If we observe, the maximum value here is 83. 83 means it is more than 50. We know that when the values are more than 50, we can use either assumed mean method or step deviation method. Here in this question, I am going to use assumed mean method as the class interval and the frequency is only single digit numbers and two digit numbers. So use assumed mean method, which is also known as shortcut method. Number of heartbeats per minute is given as class interval, and that is given as 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86, and number of women, that is frequency Fi, is given as 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Let us add all this and see whether we are getting 30, which was there in the question. The total frequency is 30. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 7 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, 28 plus 2 is 30. We got sigma fi as 30. Since we are using assumed mean method, the next column will be class mark, that is given by xi. So class mark, we know lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 65 plus 68 divided by 2. So 65 plus 68 means 8 plus 5 is 13, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. I have 133. 133 by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 1 3, 2 6s are 12, 1, put a point, bring down 0, that is 66.5. Similarly, I have 68 plus 71. 68 plus 71 is 139. So 139 by 2. 139 by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 1 9, 2 9s are 18, 1 put a point, bring down 0, 69.5. Next 71 plus 74. 71 plus 74 means 1 plus 4 is 5, 7 plus 7 is 14. 145 by 2. 145 by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 put a point, bring down 0, 2 5s are 10. Next 74 plus 77. 7 plus 4 is 11, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. 151 by 2. 151 by 2 means 2 7s are 14, 1 1, 2 5s are 10, 1 put a point, bring down 0, 75.5. 77 plus 80. 77 plus 80 means 7 plus 0 is 7, 8 plus 7 is 1, 57. 157 by 2 means 2 7s are 14, 1 7, 2 8s are 16, 1 put a point, bring down 0, 78.5. 80 plus 83. 80 plus 83 is 163. So 163 by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 1 put a point, bring down 0, 2 5s are 10. 83 plus 86. 6 plus 3 is 9, 8 plus 6 is 1, 169 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 1 put a point, bring down 0, 2 5s are 10. See, I am doing the calculations in mind. So these are my class marks. Observe the class marks are increasing. So in assumed mean method, we know we have 5 columns, class interval, frequency, class mark, then di is equals to xi minus a, and last column will be fi into di. So first we need to find out what is a here. Remember, I said always it's easier to assume the middlemost value of the class mark column as a. So here the middlemost row of the class mark is 75.5, because there are how many rows? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 rows are there. So 3 if I take out from up and 3 if I take out from down, the middle one will be 75.5. So here I have a is 75.5. So what I'll do is I'll subtract each value of xi with this 75.5. So 66.5 minus 77.5. 66.5 minus 75.5. Bigger number sign here is minus. That will give me, if I subtract 75.5 minus 66.5. 5 minus 5 is 0. This will become 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9.0 means 9 only. Similarly, 69.5 minus 75.5. Again, bigger number sign is minus. So 75.5 above and 69.5 below. 5 minus 5 is 0. This will become 6. 15 minus 9 is 6. So minus 6. Next, 72.5 minus 75.5. Again, 75.5 is bigger than 72.5. So minus 75.5 minus 72.5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. So I got the answer is 3. Minus 3. 75.5 minus 75.5 will give me 0. Next, 78.5 minus 75.5. Now positive values will start coming because 78.5 is more than 75.5. We will get plus 3. 81.5 minus 75.5. You will get plus 6. 84.5 minus 75.5. 84.5 minus 75.5. 5 minus 5 is 0. This will become 7. 14 minus 5 is 9. So you got plus 9. So you have minus 9, minus 6, minus 3, 0, plus 3, plus 6 and plus 9. Now find out fi di. Fi is 2. 2 into di here is minus 9. 2 9s are 2 into minus 9. 2 9s are 18. Minus into plus is minus. 4 into minus 6. 4 6 are 24 and minus into plus is minus. So minus. 3 3s are 9 and minus into plus is minus. 0 8s are 0. 7 3s are 21. 4 6 are 24, 2 9s are 18. Now we need to find out sigma Fi di. How to find out sigma Fi di? Add all the negative values and add all the positive values, then subtract both. Because when one sign is minus and one sign is plus, you have to subtract. So here I have 18, 24 and 9. I am adding them. 18 plus 24 plus 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 51 I got. Here I have minus 51 since all three are minus. Next 21 plus 24 plus 18 I am adding separately. 21 plus 24 plus 18. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So I have plus 63 and minus 51. So I'll subtract. 63 is bigger, so here I'll have sigma Fi will be plus 63 minus 51. 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1. So I got plus 12 is sigma Fi di. I have by assumed mean method, mean x bar is equals to a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. Here a value we took as 75.5, so I'll substitute here 75.5 plus sigma Fi di we got 12 by sigma Fi we got 30. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 2 by 5 means 75.5 plus what is 2 by 5? 5 outside, 2 inside. 5 zeros are 0, 2. Put a point, bring down 0. 5 4s are 20. We got 0.4. Now add 75.5 plus 0.4. 75.5 plus 0.4 means 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 0 is 5. 75.9. So, mean x bar is equals to 75.9. And it is given heartbeats. So, 75.9 heartbeats is the mean. Fifth question. In the retail market, fruit vendors were selling oranges kept in packing baskets. These baskets contained varying number of oranges. The following was the distribution of oranges. Number of oranges, that is class interval, is given till 34. Number of baskets 15. It is given till 25. Find the mean number of oranges kept in each basket. So I have to find out number of oranges, that is mean. Which method of finding mean did you choose? Since here I have 3-digit numbers, I am going to use step deviation method. In step deviation method, remember we have totally 6 columns: class interval, frequency, class mark, di is equals to xi minus a, ui is equals to di by h, and fi ui. Find out sigma fi, find out sigma fi ui, and then substitute the values of a, sigma fi ui, sigma fi and h in the formula of mean x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Fifth answer, number of oranges was my class interval, that is ci, and I had number of baskets, that is frequency fi. So these values were given to me as 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34. Now you must be wondering, here the classes are not continuous. It's ending at 14 and then it is starting at 15. It's ending at 19 and it is starting as 20. And it goes similar in a similar pattern. So you must be wondering why we are not making classes continuous. No need to make classes continuous in mean. We need to make classes continuous only in median and mode. Okay. So we can easily do it because the main thing here is the height should be same. That is 14 minus 10 is 4 and also 19 minus 15 is 4. 24 minus 20 is 4. That is the difference between upper limit and lower limit should be same. Now frequency was given as 15 in the question, 110, 135, 115 and 25. Now in the question it gave us okay. So total frequency is not given in the question, but we will need it in the formula. So I am adding 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 400. So we got sigma fi as 400. Now in step deviation method, we have totally 6 columns. So number of oranges, that is class interval, number of baskets, that is frequency, Third column will be class mark. Class mark will be common for all the three methods. Class mark is given by lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 10 plus 14 is 24. 24 by 2 is 12. 15 plus 19. 15 plus 19 is 9 plus 5 is 14 and 34 by 2 means 17. 20 plus 24. 44 by 2 means 22. 25 plus 29. 9 plus 5. 14 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 54 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 4 2 7s are 14. 30 plus 34, 64 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. We need di. Di is equals to xi minus a. Fifth column will be ui is equals to di by h, and what will be h we have to write here. What will be a we have to write here. Last column will be fi into ui. So a here assume mean, again how many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 rows are there, so take the middlemost value, that is here 22 is my assumed mean a. So here is 22. xi minus a, so 12 minus 22. 12 minus 22 is minus 22 minus 12. 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 10. Minus 10. 17 minus 22. Minus 1, 12 minus 7 is 5. Minus 5. 22 minus 22 will be 0. 27 minus 22 will be plus 5. 32 minus 22 will be plus 10. So we have minus 10, minus 5, 0, plus 5, plus 10. Now h here is the difference in upper limit and lower limit. 14 minus 10 is 4. So we have to divide this di values with h. So minus 10 by 4. Minus 10 by 4 means 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So 5 by 2 means 2.5. Minus 2.5. 2 outside, 5 inside. 2 2s are 4. 1 put a point minus 0, 2.5. Minus 5 by 4. 4 5. 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Put a point bring down 0. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 0 is 2 0. 4 5s are 20. Minus 1.25. Next 0 by 4 is 0. 5 by 4 is plus 1.25. 10 by 4 plus 10 by 4 is plus 2.5. fi into ui, that is my next. So here fi is 15. 15 into ui is minus 2.5. So 15 into 2.5. Minus into plus is minus, minus. This will be 0, this will be plus, this will be plus. Again I will need sigma fi ui here. So 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 37.5. 110 into 1.25. 0 I will keep as it is. I will multiply 11 into 1.25. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 13.75. And 13.75 into 10. This will be into 10. So that is nothing but minus 137.5. This is minus 137.5. Next 115 into 1.25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 1s are 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 1s are 2. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 1 1s are 1. 5 7. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 13. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. We have 143.75. 25 into 2.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 2 6. 62.5. Add this. Here I have minus 37.5. Here I have minus 137.5. So I have to add means 137.5 plus 37.5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1 is 7. 175 I am getting. So minus 175 here I will get because both will be minus. And here I have plus 143.75 and plus 6.25. 143.75 plus 6.25. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. 150. So here I have plus 150. So minus 175 and plus 150 means subtract 175 minus 150, that is 25, and bigger number sign minus is minus, so minus 25. So here I am using step deviation method. So I can say by step deviation method, mean is equals to A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So that is equals to A here is 22 plus sigma fi ui is minus 25. Minus 25 by sigma fi is 400 into h is 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 4 zeros are. 25 by 10 means it will be plus into minus is minus 0.25. 25 by 100 can be written as 0.25 because 2 zeros are there, it will go on left side. And 22 minus 0.5 is, this will be 0, 0. Be very careful in subtraction. See, 22.00 I am writing. This will be 1. This will be 10, this will be 9, this will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7. 1, 21.75 I am getting. This plus 21.75 oranges are kept in the basket. So that is nothing but approximately equal to 22 oranges. Like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon.